This stealth drone is invisible to radar, flies at near supersonic speeds, and could change the balance of air power forever. China's Rainbow 7 has arrived. In a world dominated by next-gen military tech, the entry of the Chinese CH-7, known as Rainbow 7, has sent ripples across global defense circles. Sleek, deadly, and virtually undetectable, the CH-7 is a sharp departure from traditional unmanned combat vehicles. It isn't just a drone, it's a game-changer. A message. A warning. Developed by China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, the CH-7 is part of China's growing ambition to become the world's dominant military power. Its design resembles the American RQ-170 Sentinel and Northrop Grumman X-47B, but with a twist. China has focused heavily on cost efficiency, longer range, and wider deployment scalability. With a wingspan of approximately 22 meters and a length of around 10 meters, the CH-7 is larger than most combat drones, positioning it as a heavy stealth UCV unmanned combat aerial vehicle. With intercontinental reach and advanced surveillance capabilities, its flying wing design, similar to a mini B-2 bomber, reduces radar cross-section significantly. This means the Rainbow 7 can slip deep into enemy territory, gather critical intelligence, and deliver precision strikes, all without being seen. Powered by a jet engine that allows high subsonic or near supersonic speeds, this drone is built for missions that demand range, endurance, and stealth. China unveiled the CH-7 at Airshow, China, where its futuristic design and bold capabilities stunned military analysts. Many experts were quick to draw parallels with American stealth drones, but what shocked everyone was how rapidly China had developed and operationalized the system. It was once thought that only the US had the technological edge to mass-produce stealth drones with real-world functionality. That belief has now been shattered. The CH-7 isn't just for reconnaissance. Reports suggest it can carry advanced sensors and a suite of air-to-ground weapons. This would make it capable of executing high-risk missions, including anti-radiation strikes on enemy radar sites, precision missile attacks, and even electronic warfare support. It's the kind of drone that can enter heavily fortified enemy airspace, perform a surgical strike, and vanish, leaving no trace. What makes the CH-7 even more dangerous is its network-centric warfare capability. It can operate alongside satellites, manned fighters, and other drones in a synchronized attack. This makes it a perfect asset for China's vision of intelligentized warfare, where AI, big data, and unmanned systems form the core of future combat operations. In short, the CH-7 is designed not just for war, but for the wars of tomorrow. The strategic implications are immense. The CH-7 can challenge American air dominance in the Pacific. If deployed in places like the South China Sea, Taiwan Strait, or even overseas bases, it becomes a highly mobile, highly stealthy threat that can monitor or strike U.S. assets without warning. And unlike manned aircraft, it can take more risks, penetrating where even stealth fighters might hesitate. There's also the psychological impact. The appearance of the Rainbow 7 sends a bold message to the world. China is not just catching up, it's innovating, building, and deploying cutting-edge systems faster than expected. And while the U.S. focuses on sixth-generation fighters and next-gen air dominance programs, China is fielding operational stealth drones that are cheaper, more flexible, and easier to deploy. Military analysts believe the CH-7 is part of a larger swarm strategy. Imagine a battlefield where dozens of stealth drones work in coordination, jamming enemy radars, disabling defense systems, and launching pinpoint attacks. If China integrates AI into this fleet, as it plans to, it could automate entire missions. No pilots, no risk to personnel, and a massive increase in strike capability. This is why the Rainbow 7 is so alarming to military planners worldwide. What's even more shocking is the export potential. China has already hinted at offering stealth drones to allies or countries willing to partner under its Belt and Road Initiative. If that happens, nations with no stealth tech could suddenly gain access to advanced UCAVs, reshaping regional military balances. Think of a small country gaining instant deterrence against a more powerful neighbor, just by acquiring a squadron of CH-7s. That's the level of disruption we're talking about. Another key advantage is endurance. The CH-7 is expected to fly for more than 15 hours on a single mission, covering thousands of kilometers. Whether it's loitering over a conflict zone, monitoring shipping lanes, or tracking enemy movements in real time, This drone is designed to be a persistent eye in the sky, and with satellite connectivity and ground station control, it can transmit live data to command centers far from the battlefield. While the U.S. continues to dominate the skies with its MQ-9 Reapers and classified stealth projects, China's CH-7 throws a serious challenge. It represents a different philosophy: massive scalability, cost-efficient deployment, and strategic intimidation. It's not about having the best drone on paper. It's about having enough of them, smartly networked, ready to fly into action anytime, anywhere. From Taiwan to the Middle East, from Africa to the Indo-Pacific, the CH-7 could show up in future conflicts in unpredictable ways. Whether used by China directly or via military sales, the world may soon see this ghostly aircraft reshaping air warfare across continents. The real question isn't whether the Rainbow 7 is effective, it's how long until it becomes the new normal in global military strategy. As of now, the full operational status of the CH-7 remains classified, but satellite images and leaked reports suggest it is already undergoing advanced flight testing and possible limited deployment. With China's track record of rapid scaling, it may not be long before the skies are patrolled by fleets of these stealth drones, quiet, fast, and almost impossible to detect. The Rainbow 7 is no longer a concept. It's a reality, one that reflects a deeper shift in military power and technological race. A future where wars may be fought not with pilots and cockpits, but with artificial intelligence, silent wings, and remote control. Welcome to the age of stealth drones. Welcome to the future of warfare. This is Next Gen World. Subscribe for more military tech breakdowns and shocking global shifts that you won't find anywhere else.